Imagine if minutes from now, you could have your very own stunning membership site filled chock full of original video courses and done-for-you products that you can sell monthly subscriptions for. A membership site that gets you traffic, makes you sales, and gets you paid, and all with the power of AI. Includes original AI-generated video courses, info products, high-ticket services, SaaS software apps, or affiliate offers. Includes masterclass-like membership platform with user management and payment processing. Includes dedicated cloud hosting with SSL encryption and 100% uptime. Includes drag-and-drop editor with dozens of templates built in, the ultimate Kajabi killer. And all for a one-time low fee. That's right, pay once, use forever. The AI works 24/7 to build you unique video courses in 250 plus different niches and plugs them right into your membership platform. Listen, we always tell people to build their own products and have their own courses set up and selling online. Heck, Bill Clinton, Gordon Ramsay, and Lewis Hamilton all have their own membership courses selling online, despite being multimillionaires. It all goes to show you just how much money there is to be made in membership sites. The only problem? So far, creating and selling your own online course has been nearly impossible. You'd have to be an expert in your field. You'd have to be charismatic on camera. You'd have to have all the tech know-how to upload your course into a membership site. At the end, you'd still be paying hundreds of dollars a month to services like Kajabi, Shopify, Wix, course funnels, etc., while getting subpar results. But today, it's actually possible to get original, expert-level courses built for you 24/7 without having to pay for them, then auto-added onto your done-for-you membership site that's fully hosted by us. We even send you traffic. What's left for you to do? Just connect your payment account and watch it skyrocket with sales. Introducing ProfitClass. All the content for your info products, courses, and trainings is done for you and original. The membership site is hosted by us and comes pre-configured traffic is built in from the get-go, while we take care of payment processing, shopping cart integration, order fulfillment, customer support, and even basic things like website design or dedicated cloud hosting. Just how good does that sound? Well, lucky for you, today is the day this all becomes reality. ProfitClass is the next step in internet marketing and online sales. A revolution like no other that finally enables anyone, yes, even complete newbies, to enjoy all the benefits of selling online with none of the headaches. Everything is done for you, from idea to product creation to membership portals. It's all in one simple interface with no complex puzzle solving required from you. Here's what ProfitClass can do for you. Build cloud membership sites in any niche for yourself or clients. Just tell the AI what you want and it'll make it for you. Create in-demand original video content and info products in 250 plus different niches. Send thousands of red-hot, hungry visitors that can't wait to buy your training. Fully hosted on dedicated server with done-for-you user management. Sell anything with payment processing and shopping cart integrated. SSL encryption, drag-and-drop editor, and dozens of built-in templates. Done-for-you support. And here's the kicker. You get all of this for life with just one-time low fee today. The best part? It's 100% newbie-friendly and has been designed from the ground up by marketers for marketers. Plus, we're making it better every single day based on user suggestions. Plus, we even give you traffic from a built-in autoresponder to done-for-you social media, to SEO, email, and mobile. And we'll never ever read or access your sites and files, and no one else will be able to either. ProfitClass has a rock-solid encryption system that ensures your sites remain yours and are protected against malware or hackers. The bottom line is this. ProfitClass saves you hundreds of dollars a year in fees, while providing a better, faster, and more marketer-friendly service than any of our competitors. All inside one newbie-friendly interface even an 8-year-old can master. So take action now. Click the buy button below and claim your exclusive one-time fee access to a next-level revolution unlike any you've seen yet. Welcome to the future of internet marketing. Welcome to ProfitClass.